right, guys, so we are at Paris on Las Vegas Boulevard. This is only the second time that I'm staying at Paris. The first time that we stayed here, we had a mission to stay at every property on the Strip, and Paris was the last one. So we stayed at Paris about a year ago or so, maybe two, and it was a horrible experience. The room was disgusting, quite frankly. And we had a great time in the casino. We love the Paris casino. We love that it's connected to Bally's, centrally located. We got up to the room tired, ready to go to bed, and the bed was disgusting. Once we pulled the sheets down, there was blood, there was tears, pubic hair. I mean, it was just really disgusting. Like, nobody looked at the room or really cared about it. So we made a reservation for Planet Hollywood this time for 5 nights, but due to the midweek closures, we got moved by Caesars from Planet Hollywood to Paris. So I called them up immediately and I was like, is there anything else? And because we're staying 5 nights on a comp, there was nothing else available. We had to stay here. So I explained the situation and they assured me that every room has been remodeled and that they would take care of us. So we are in a Parlor suite. Now, Parlor suite seems pretty spacious. I haven't seen it, so you and I are seeing this for the first time together. I've never stayed in a Parlor suite. This is only the second time that I ever stayed at Paris, so let's take a look around and see what it's like. First of all, when you come in, this is the entry area, so really nice and spacious. Yeah, so that's really impressive right from the beginning. Single king bed, which I like. That actually looks pretty nice. Maybe I should take a peek over here. It doesn't seem to be anything. So this is pretty awesome. I have to admit, this is pretty nice. Let's see if they have a fridge. They have a refrigerator. Love it. Complimentary refrigerator. Love it. It's safe, nice big screen. Storage space for clothing, ironing board and that stuff. Very nice big room. Wow. Let's take a look at this view here. Windows are pretty dirty. The windows are dirty, but the view is pretty phenomenal. Right across the Bellagio fountains right there, so we'll be able to see the show later on. And the Aria, nice, Planet Hollywood. All right, this looks actually pretty nice. Now, being that it seems like we're in the corner of the floor, we have the view of the Strip that way and Bellagio across the street. We have on this side over here a view of the pool, which it's the end of November, like the very end. Today's the 30th, so there's nothing happening at the pool, but pretty nice. If you're looking to make a reservation in the future, this is a really nice location. And this one is it's a 1125P. So 11th floor, room 25, P for Parlor Suite. This is the view that you would get. Now, if you've watched my room tours, I really measure the room on the bathroom. It's gotta have a nice bathroom. So let's see what they got here. What's this guy? Oh, this must be the parlor and why it's called a Parlor Suite. So maybe when I get ready later, I'll sit down over here, I don't know. Another nice big closet. Wow, that's pretty nice. Check that out. Which is good because we're here for 5 nights and we have 2 massive suitcases. Now let's go into the bathroom. All right, this is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. I really like this shower. It doesn't have a tub. You guys know I like tubs at nicer properties, but look at how nice this shower is. And it's got a little bench. I don't know what these benches are for, but they're fun. I really like this. I'm very impressed with what they did for us here. They definitely took care of us. This is a comp, and because of my Diamond Plus status, there's no resort fee, there's no taxes, so this is 100% free. If you're a Caesars If you prefer Caesar's properties, make sure to get a reward card every time you swipe, especially now the rewards points are good for like 2 years or something like that. So your status will maintain through 2021, all through 2021. So definitely worth it. All right, guys, that's it. We're impressed. We're ready to relax here for the next 5 nights. If there's anything that you guys want to see, please subscribe, comment below, like this video, help us out as we're trying to grow our YouTube channel here for you guys. We'll see you soon.